Look at the mouse. You can also adjust the sensitivity, so as you can see, it's moving pretty fast. Hello guys, welcome back to my video, and I'm going to be showing you how to use your phone as a trackpad onto your PC or tablet or Windows tablet. So let's get started. First, you want to open your phone, go over to Play Store, and then search up remote mouse. And this green first one, you want to install this. Now, as that's installing, we're going to do the same for this tablet. So we're going to go over and head over to Google. And then at the top, I'm just going to search up remote mouse app, hit enter. And then the first result, just click it. And then you just want to press get now. And then down here, install remote mouse server on your computer. So now what type of tablet I have, mine's a Windows tablet, so I'm going to click it. And now it's downloading down at the bottom. What you want to do is open when done. I already finished installing on my phone, but it takes longer over here. It said, do you want to allow to make changes? Click yes, otherwise it won't work. And then you just need to follow the steps. It completed downloading. Finish. Now, I'm going to put this down. I'm going to get my phone now. I'm going to open the app. And then it just tells you how it works. So you need to install it on your computer. And this is the address. Then you just run the server. And then it connects. It's really as simple as that. So as you can see, I already noticed Win tablet. It's because I've already installed it on my tablet. So I'm going to press that. It's connecting. And then it just tells you the controls of what it is. You just want to go ahead and skip it. All right. Now, as you can see, the mouse is moving the screen. Let me show you better. Look at the mouse. You can also adjust the sensitivity. So as you can see, it's moving pretty fast. If you want to adjust the sensitivity, go ahead and press this settings, scroll down, and then you can see tracking speed and scrolling speed. Scrolling speed is when you use your two fingers to scroll over there. So I prefer putting tracking speed like this and scrolling speed just there. All right, now you go back. Then you can use it again. As you can see, it's actually working pretty nice. You can tap to do a new tab. I can even type from my phone. So, to do that on your phone, you're going to need to press swipe across. And then you see that keyboard, you want to press that. And now you have a keyboard over here and a trackpad at the top. Now, it will work like this. You see? Wherever I type here is actually typing there. If I hit this, it will actually search what I search for. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next one.